Good morning, my dear students. Today, continuing with the chapter Financial Statement with Adjustments, I will be telling you about the treatment of manager's commission, how manager commission is treated in financial statements. Manager is given commission on the total profit of the firm. Manager is given commission on the total profit of the firm, and it can be given in two ways. There are two: before charging and after charging. Manager commission is given on the net profit, and there are two methods of providing manager commission. One is before charging his commission, because manager commission is also an expense for the firm. Manager commission is also an expense for the firm, and suppose the net profit of the firm is 5,500. Net profit of the firm is 5,500, and manager is given a commission of 10%, suppose 10% on the net profit. According to this method, before charging his commission, if the manager is given commission under this method, before charging his commission, so it will be calculated like this: 5,500 into 10 upon 100, and it will be 550 rupees. 550 rupees. The manager commission charged 550 rupees. It will be charged out of profit in this way, the simple way, the normal way in which we charge commission or interest, manager commission, 550 rupees. This is the first method before charging his commission. Before charging his commission means we are not treating his commission as an expense out of profit. So whatever profit is earned by the firm, even before giving his commission or charging his commission out of profit, we are giving it directly to him. We are giving him 550 rupees as commission before charging his commission out of profit, which was 5,500. 5,500 was the profit before manager was allowed commission. Now the profit will reduce. Now the net profit will be net profit transferred to capital will be 5,500 minus 550. It will be 4,950. 4,950 will be the net profit. Please turn your cameras on. 4,950 will be the net profit of the firm, and manager will be allowed a commission of 550. This is the method. The formula is net profit into rate upon 100. Net profit into rate upon 100 is the formula to calculate manager commission under this method. When we are not charging his commission out of profit and allowing him interest on the net profit, we are allowing the interest without charging his commission or before charging his commission, and it is the normal formula. Normal formula it is net profit into rate upon 100. Net profit into rate upon 100. Now, what will happen If the company decides to give commission to manager under this method, after charging his commission, then the manager will be given commission after charging his commission as an expense out of profit, like all other expenses. Like all other expenses are charged to profit, charged from profit. Similar way, his commission will also be charged from the profit, and he will get the interest, the commission on the remaining profit. So the formula will change. The formula for manager commission under this method will be 2 manager. It is profit into rate upon 100 plus rate is 10%. 10% is the amount of commission rate to be charged. So what will be the profit? Profit is 5,500, and just a minute. So profit is 5,500 multiplied by rate 10 upon 110. 10 upon 110. 500. Now the manager in this method, under this method, after charging his commission, the net profit $5,500 minus 500, the net profit will be 5,000. Net profit will be 5,000 now. So you see, manager will get lesser amount as commission if the second method is applied, if the second method is used by the firm or the organization. Because in the second method, which is more realistic, practical method, because manager commission is also a charge, manager commission is also an expense for the firm. Manager is paid commission on the profit earned by the firm in which his role is there, but if he is allowed commission after charging his commission as an expense out of profit, he is getting lesser commission. Only 500 he is getting as commission. In the first method, he was getting 550 rupees as commission. In the first method, he was getting 550 rupees as commission. But in the second method, he is getting, you see, lesser amount as commission. He is getting only 500 rupees as commission. So it depends upon the firm which method it applies to give commission to its manager. Which method it applies to give commission to its manager. Both the methods I have explained, and I have explained you this also, why it is profit into rate upon 100 plus rate. Okay. Anybody want to ask anything regarding manager commission? Anybody would like to ask anything regarding the manager commission? Yeah, or any other adjustment you would like to ask? Any other adjustment you would like to ask from financial statement with adjustment? Tomorrow I will start 23rd chapter, the last chapter of numericals. And I have already told you in the computers, I will only give you some topics. Only those topics will be asked in the exam, which is not there in the final term. Okay. There are 3 or 4 chapters, but they are not there in our boards. So we do not continue with those chapters. I will give you some of the topics from chapter number 24, 5 and 6 only few topics, and maybe 3 or 4 marks question can be asked from that. That too is theoretical, not numerical. So tomorrow I will start the last chapter, 23rd chapter, accounts from incomplete record. And in the days to come, you can ask your problems as and when you get the time or the place, as and when you get the time. Okay. Bilal, any adjustment? Ayush, you want to ask anything? Ayush,
No, sir.
all the adjustments, the financial statement with adjustment from this chapter, one question of 8 marks will be asked, my dear. One question of 8 marks will be asked out of this chapter. Very, very important chapter. Ansika, any point you would like to ask? Harshpant or Jasanjeet, you can ask your point. You can ask your point. Okay, moving on to the next adjustment in this. Moving on to our next adjustment related to, as I have told you, related to depreciation, related to accrued income, related to outstanding expenses, related to prepaid expenses, all the adjustments I have explained